Welcome to this video on HDMI. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. It is a universal digital connection standard that allows audio and video signals to travel through a single cable between your devices. Whether you're connecting a gaming console to your television, linking a computer to a monitor, or streaming content through a media player, HDMI is the technology that makes it all possible. Let's explore the history of HDMI. Development on HDMI began in 2002 with the goal of creating a single cable solution that could replace multiple audio and video cables. HDMI 1 was officially released in 2003, marking the beginning of a new era in consumer electronics connectivity. From 2004 onwards, HDMI adoption accelerated rapidly across all consumer electronics worldwide. Today, it is the most widely used connection standard for high-definition media. Now let's look at the key specifications of HDMI. First, HDMI transmits uncompressed digital audio and video signals, ensuring no quality loss during transmission. HDMI 2.1, the latest version, supports resolutions up to 8000 by 4000, also known as 8K, at 60 Hz refresh rate. The maximum bandwidth available in HDMI 2.1 is 48 gigabits per second, providing incredible data transmission capacity. For everyday use on standard devices, 1920 by 1080, known as 1080p, is the common format running at 60 Hz. HDMI is used in many everyday devices. Televisions use HDMI as their primary display connection for streaming services and content. Gaming consoles like PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo all use HDMI to connect to your television. Personal computers use HDMI cables to connect to monitors, projectors, and external displays. Additionally, media players like Blu-ray players, DVD players, and streaming devices all rely on HDMI for delivering content to your screen. Looking toward the future, HDMI 2.2 represents the next generation of this technology. HDMI 2.2 doubles the bandwidth to 96 gigabits per second compared to HDMI 2.1. This increased capacity supports 8K resolution at an impressive 240 Hz refresh rate, as well as 12K resolutions. In gaming, this means ultra-high refresh rates and lower latency for more immersive experiences. HDMI 2.2 also brings support for extended reality technologies, including augmented reality, virtual reality, and immersive spatial content delivery. HDMI connectors come in three main types. Type A is the standard HDMI connector, measuring 13.9 by 4.45 millimeters. It is used in televisions, monitors, and gaming consoles. Type C is the mini HDMI connector, measuring 10.42 by 2.42 millimeters, found in cameras, tablets, and portable devices. Type D is the Micro HDMI connector, measuring 5.83 by 2.2 millimeters, used in smartphones and other mobile devices. Each size is designed to fit the specific device it's intended for. Let's examine cable specifications in detail. The standard HDMI type A connector has 19 pins arranged in 2 rows. The outer diameter of HDMI type A cables typically ranges from 6 mm to 10 mm, depending on the shielding quality. HDMI cables are commonly available in lengths of 0.5 meters, 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 5 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters, and 20 meters. All quality HDMI cables use triple shielding consisting of foil, braid, and another layer of foil to protect against signal interference. When installing HDMI cables, follow these best practices. First, locate the HDMI ports on both your devices before inserting the cable. Second, insert the cable gently as it only fits in one direction. Do not force it into the port. Third, secure your cables with cable ties to prevent unwanted bending and potential damage. Finally, avoid hanging cables from the ports to minimize strain on both the cable and the connection port. These simple steps will ensure a reliable connection. If you experience issues with your HDMI connection, here are solutions. If you have no signal, check that the cable is properly connected, verify that you've selected the correct input source on your display, and try using a different HDMI port. If your display is flickering, adjust the resolution and refresh rate settings, try shortening the cable length, and update your graphics drivers. For loose connections, disconnect the cable and firmly reconnect it at both ends. If you experience intermittent signal loss, replace the cable with a higher quality one, disable power-saving settings, and clean the HDMI ports.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.